Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today's topic is Introduction to C language. So this C language tutorial may be your first programming language tutorial. Some students may confusion about basics of C, and after some time they will broken down in their programming skill. If you have any confusion about C, then please watch this tutorial. I can assure you that your programming knowledge will be grow day by day. So let's start. So before knowing what is C language, we have to understand what is language, through which we can express our thoughts, and second, through which we can communicate with each other. Example, English. In ancient world, we people did not knew any languages. But those days, why do we communicate with each other? Of course, yes. We communicate and express our thoughts using sign language, like English. What is computer language? Communicating with a computer involves speaking the language the computer understands. Example, C. So I will discuss it later on. Now you cannot understand this. So, difference between C language and English language. There is a close analogy between learning English language and learning C language. In English language, first we have to learn alphabets and then learn how to combine these alphabets to form words, and then combine these to form sentences, and then to form paragraphs. So, let's take an example of a sentence in English. That is, English is so popular. So all we know that this is a sentence, but before sentence there is a group of words, and then the words like English is so, and this word is formed by alphabets like E, N, G, L. Learning C is similar and easier. Here also we have to know what alphabets, numbers, special variable, and then form variables and constants using this, and then we have to learn constants, constructing instructions using them, and then it will become a program. So I will discuss it later, what is alphabet, number, special variable, constants, and instruction and program. So let move the next. So as you can see, alphabets form words, group of words form sentences, group of sentences formed a paragraph. Now in C language, alphabets, digit, and special symbols are formed constant and variables. These constant variables are now formed a sentence. A group of sentence now formed a program. So you can see this. Learning English language and learning C language both are same. So what are the hidden facts about C? C was actually invented to write an operating system called Unix. So what is an Unix operating system? So Unix operating system does not execute .exe extension type of file. So all we know that all the viruses are made by .exe extension type. But in Unix, there is no concept of viruses just because of .exe file. So next, the Unix OS was totally written in C by 1973. Today, C is most widely used. C is most popular system programming language. Using C, we can generate device driver, etc. Today's most popular Linux OS and RD-based MySQL have been written in C. Most of the internet browsers are implemented using C, like Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, etc. So I don't understand why people says like C is very backdated. I think those people never love C language. I believe that nobody can learn C++ or Java directly. This is because while learning those languages, you have things like classes, objects, inheritance, polymorphism, templates, etc. Major parts of popular operating systems like Windows, Unix, Linux are still written in C. Mobile devices like cellular phones, palm tops have become rage of today. Also, devices like microwave ovens, washing machines and digital cameras are getting smarter day by day. So this smartness comes from a microprocessor, an operating system and a program embedded in this device. These programs not only have to run fast but also have to work in limited amount of memory. Now, no wonder that such programs are written in C. Next, history of C. C is a successor of B language, which has introduced around 1970. C is developed at AT&T's Bell Laboratories of USA in 1972. C is developed by Sir Dennis Ritchie. So he is the person, Sir Dennis Ritchie. So in late 70s, C began to replace the more familiar languages of that time like PLI, ALGOL, etc. So no one pushed C. It was not made the official Bell Labs language on that time. Thus, without any advertisement, C's reputation spread and its pool of users grew. So you can understand that what is the beauty of C. So I hope you enjoy the video, and if you have any queries and questions, please write a comment below. If you want this video in Hindi also, please comment. Thank you for watching, guys. I will back you again with all new videos.